Welcome to Unison Dream. Today we're opening the EG set number 2, Unison Dragon, 4 boxes. Also only 4 boxes in gacha because I was kind of poor that month, so I didn't buy extra. And I kind of like it buying only 4 boxes. As they change what you can get in gacha, it's only 5 super rare alts and 2 secrets, which are not very expensive. And you can get boxes with discount, and you cannot get gacha. And for gacha, I pay full price. So I'm thinking, yeah, maybe increase the number of boxes or just keep it the same. Okay, let's start normals. And okay, foil rare. It's hard to tell, and it's also hard to see what the hell is going on here. So it's not like cold foil. I would say it's like just gloss. The card is glossed over. So this is okay. So 2 rares and the super rare. Let's check the prices of super rare. Some dragons again. And prices are not worth much. Okay, so yeah, and gacha ones are expensive, and I forgot my gacha packs. Okay, I will get them when it'll be quick. Okay, because the stupid program I use on my phone doesn't have pause functionality. It's just filming or not. So we got our first foil super rare, the Fire of Fate, and Noble's Grove, $2. Oh, whatever. Okay, so yes, okay. Okay, rare plus, and don't cost anything. Absolutely don't cost. Like, you just open one and get the box. Well, I'm just cute. Well, that's what I can say. But man, prices of the boxes increased so much. How many packs? Let's check the price. Oh, here's the pack. Like 600. It's usually 400. Like you get 10 packs or even 30. Okay, we haven't hit of the box. Okay, super rare. Foil normal. So it's like it's not really foily. Just well, it has some foiling, but it's like hard to tell. Kind of fun type of foiling, I would say. So yeah, well, okay, rare plus. I have opened. Before filming, I stored my cards like gacha pool, so I can get like gacha exclusive cards. Because if I did it after, I would forget about it. Okay, foil rare. Well, you can see some golden lining, but it kind of feels like they're chipping out. Okay, if still nothing. Yes. Okay, super rare. Normal super rare is like used to have foiling. Now it's less like why bother trying anymore? Okay, so this looks like rare. And what is this? Oh, SSR. Nice. So we had a hit. I'm now looking for. Oh, there was a lot of SSRs. And this one, Luna Plana, $80. Wow. Ooh, it's textured. Okay, we got a good hit. There are some really hard misses. You either get a really expensive. Okay, this one's expensive SSR. Others like $4. They're like a couple $15. So yeah, we got a good hit. That paid like for 1 box and a bit of the second box. Okay, let's see. We want to get EGRs or SVRs. Our secrets. Yeah. So far, well, it's a good start. But I wasn't like in gacha. I remember it because I got the double of same secret. So super rare. Normal super rare is like feels like so disappointing to open right now. Okay, normals. Okay. Oh, another SSR. Green Dragon Priestess. This one is 315. Not bad. Well, kind of bad. It's cheaper than the pack. So, but yeah. SSRs used to be kind of rare. Oh, foil super rare. So, and the so shiny is this dragons. Okay, what the number is 46. I'm checking secrets and wonder why I cannot find the dragon. Okay, he's like $5. He's more expensive, that card with texture foiling. Oh, that's the X foil. Okay, rare plus. Look how flat she is. Okay, so foil rare, not foil, like just super rare. Super rares are like rares now because like there is no commons on commons. I remember those days. And super rare, normal. Okay, normal, rare, foil normal. Rare, and this is another foil. Man, foiling is so weak. I cannot get like even glitch on camera because it's this light from the camera makes it impossible. Well, not light, but something makes it impossible. Okay, rare. Another super rare dragon that we don't care about. Okay, so this box is a miss. And rare plus, it's a duplicate rare plus. Okay, box number 3. Well, you can't always win, but you can always lose. Okay, so normal. Ooh, this guy will be cheap, I can tell. Sorry. Kimbuwa Soma, $1.15. Okay, so he's like, here's your super hit of the box, bro. Even didn't pay for the pack. Oh well, such is life. Another spam. Man, I miss all set when they had fun. Like you had boosters that like got all foils, super rares and stuff. Okay. And Replus, man, that's so. Maybe I'm just tired. Okay, something really shiny. And just a super rare dragon. Number 40. Defeating Falm Rain Razor. $4, so it's more expensive than that card. Yeah, it's like an exciting. First they came for super rares. I mean rares, so stop being foiled. Normal ones. Oh well. A red dragon foil. Oh, there is normals. While I'm talking, there is no normals. Like, my brain is kind of tired. There is normals, but they don't worth much. Okay. So looks like you get 2 hits. One of them can be super rare. and one is something like SR. Maybe SR is cheap because they're like more common. Oh wait, is it foil? Just a normal, like, so far nothing. Like, yeah, like counting, I'm getting nothing like in my packs. Well, this box is even worse. Okay, this is nice looking, but it's like foiling. Where's the foiling? Wow, the box number 3 was worse than number 2, but hopefully they can. This box number 4 won't be worse than box number 3. Okay, let's see what we got. And nothing. Yeah, I'm calling rare plus nothing. Like, is it just a pack filler at this point? Okay, 2 rares and normal super rare. Good thing I don't buy cases, like, otherwise I would have to throw away most of the cards that are open. Rare, foil, super rare, those like Luke's Baron, Blazing Dragons. He's $12. I don't know why. I won't pay much for them. Maybe he has some gameplay value. And his normal, oh, he has some gameplay value because his normal is like $8. Okay. Okay, normal foil. Okay, so we are mostly done. Wow. Boxes are like small and there's nothing good in them, so we're doing quickly. It used to like 40 minutes, like opening all the boxes. Okay, we got 2 super rares. I hope it's not our slot, but I'm afraid it can be. Delicate Fit, Heli Comfort, $2. Okay, so wow. Now I'm really scared. Like, the price is not here. Like, okay, is this normal? Okay, last 2 packs. Okay, check. Nothing. Wow, so we got extremely unlucky, I guess. Maybe, okay, maybe last pack. There are 2 packs. Okay, maybe our luck can turn. No, looks like it's a no. Okay, last pack. Last pack. How's that? Okay, ooh, secret. Nice. Okay, our luck turned. Let's see, did it make a good turn? Quiet Star, I'll speak, $10. Yeah, secrets are not pricey that much. Like, gacha secrets are kind of expensive. Some of them are kind of expensive, but it's like, well, at least it's something. Okay, I'll get the packs real quick, sorry. Okay, and I'm back. So, first, okay, I guess the same SSR. Wow, this sucks. Well, she's expensive, but same. So, secret. This stupid ass looking dragon. Resonate LSRM, $15. Duplicate. Okay, 2 of same SSR. Wow. 3 of same SSR. I got all same SSR. Wow, this sucks much. So much. Okay. Okay, let's see prices. Blue Dragon Priestess Yuri, $20. And this one is just normal spray. Oh, wait. I forgot there's like art exclusive super rares. Maybe this is like one of them. Unison Dragon. $5. Oh, I'm really disappointed because I am. This stupid dragon, and yeah, like a duplication city. Wow, so many duplicates. Okay, let's see. I didn't get like this is. Well, I didn't get one super rare. Like, okay, I'm missing one. So they look nice. This one is in foil, so extremely. I get the most cheap one in foil. This is driving me mad. Oh well. You win and you lose. Well, I know for sure I will get it better in set 3 because I already pulled gacha for it. And I had some great pulls. Like, yeah. Well, you have to wait for some time before I receive those cards and box. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.